In this presentation, we're going to introduce ourselves to Adobe Photoshop by actually using the built-in tutorials that are contained under the Learn tab. So to open that up, let's just go up to the window pull-down menu and find the Learn tab, which should open up over here. And there are basically 4 categories. So I'm going to get you to go through each and every one, and we'll just go through all of these, and I'll do them in front of you in class, but this is where you should go to get started. And if I pop one of these open, you'll see that it comes with a lot of micro lessons, if you will, in that category. So we've got 4 categories which we'll go through today in our class. So we've got photography, retouching, combining images, and graphic design. These are just, a basic overview, but I think it's a good launch point for us to get started in. So again, go in, find the Learn tab. If it's not already open or available, you will find all tabs always under the window pull-down menu, and you can see which ones are open according to the check marks. Now I'll just pop one open just quickly just to kind of demo it here. What it does is when you double click on it, it will provide you with a built-in image and actually step-by-step instructions, as you can see here with the blue signs, if you will. If I click next, it will prompt me to go exactly where I need to go, image adjustments, hue saturation, etc., etc. And if I go to the wrong place, it will give me some red notices as well to help me out to get back on track. All right, so I can always go back and forth in these as well. And I can go back to all projects like this. And I will ask you, when you go through each step, to save your files. I'm not going to save it right now, but for the exercise, I will ask you to save your files. And again, if I scroll up and collapse these, here are the 4 main categories. I'm not sure how many there are, 20 or so tutorials that we'll go through with the built-in lessons that we get inside of Photoshop. And that's how we will start for today.